Okay, this is an initial walk around video. What would you do with this property and what needs to be done to it? Ground floor is approximately 245 square feet. There is rudimentary utilities in place and the toilet uses a macerator. The garage floor is uneven and generally slopes towards the sewerage grills. Single skin stone walls. Front garage door on a steel track. Notice the electrical box. Notice the water tap. Up the stairs to the first floor, which is a similar 245 square feet. This traditional loft area is synonymous with the type of industrial property of the period. Vinyl flooring, so it's quite a pleasant place with potential. Notice the box section under the front barn door. More about that next time. And the barn door opens up into two sections onto the main road. So it's all got a nice unit. What would you do? What will I do? And more in the next episode.